Hi, and welcome to this video introduction to setting up a class with Noteable. Once you click on Start, you'll be taken to the Noteable dashboard. Once you're in the Noteable dashboard, you'll have options to see the running notebooks that you might have, the Form Grader tab if you're a teacher, and the Assignments tab where all of the assignments in your school will be shown. So here you should make sure that your assignment has a recognizable name and does not duplicate the name of any previous assignments that you or other teachers may have set. We will revisit this when showing how to create an assignment on Noteable. You can import materials from GitHub using the +Git repo button, which allows you to input URLs such as notebook exemplars, which we have available through the link in the description. You can also upload files directly to Noteable or launch a new notebook by clicking on the New button, then scrolling down and clicking on Python 3. Now you will have launched a notebook on Noteable, where you will be able to develop coding and text material in Markdown for your teaching. This video is part of a guided series to set up your class and start teaching programming with Noteable. Please proceed to the next video in the playlist or find more information about Noteable on the documentation page of the Noteable website.